I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Mini Cooper alternator. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then disconnect the battery negative terminal and let the car sit for a few minutes. Remove the engine cover and clear any obstructing components slowly. Keep fasteners organized and photograph connections to ensure correct reassembly for a smooth, confident alternator swap. In this video, I will show how to replace a Mini Cooper alternator. Loosen the belt tensioner and slip off the serpentine belt, then disconnect the wiring harness and the main power cable. Remove mounting bolts while supporting the alternator to avoid sudden drops. Take note of spacer orientation and bolt lengths so you can return the new alternator to the exact position without trouble during the reinstallation. In this video, I will show how to replace a Mini Cooper alternator. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot makes a handy shop companion with clear audio for podcasts, timers, and hands-free voice commands while you wrench. It fits on any workbench and keeps your playlist going without cluttering the hood. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to replace a Mini Cooper alternator. Fit the replacement unit into place, hand thread bolts to align the housing, then torque to spec using a torque wrench. Reattach electrical connectors and the main charge cable with clean contacts. Route the serpentine belt correctly, apply tension, double-check bolt security, reconnect the battery negative terminal, and run the engine to confirm charging output and quiet operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.